Come with me to take a tour of our room. I'm currently at Hotel Xcaret in Mexico. Let me turn the phone around so you guys can see. All right, I'm turning the phone. All right, the first thing I want to show y'all is our gorgeous bathroom. So there's two sections to it. Over here, we have a tub. It's gonna take about 25 minutes or so to fill it up. You can use bath salts or not, that's kind of up to you. We've got our vanity, and by the way, look at the view. We'll get to that in just a moment. Plenty of place to put all of your toiletries. And then we go into the main part of the bathroom here. We have a closet. Now it already has my room lights and my stuff over here that you can see at the bottom, but you've got robes. Let's feel them. They're nice. So we got some robes over there. We've got slippers. Of course, you're gonna have a safety deposit box, extra pillow. I wanna show you all the shower though. It's awesome. So before you get in, you have a bench to get undressed. You can also put your stuff up there. All right, take a look at the shower because it's awesome. All right, so we have a rain shower head up here, and then we have a handheld. I love that we have a bench here. It makes it easier if you need to shave. And you've got all your towels and everything up here. All right, after the shower, we've got just a standard toilet, but again, it's got its own room, its own lights. And look how cute that is. It's such a nice touch. All right, back out into the main part of the room. One thing I want to point out, we do have a connecting door. I'm here with one of my other travel agent friends, and so it's just going to be the two of us. We don't have anybody connecting next door. And we also have two different beds. They do have rooms that have king size beds as well. All right, so as we're talking about the beds, just want to do a close up so you guys can see plenty of spaces for plugs. You got the phone. And then if we turn the phone here on this side, and again, there's that connecting door, a nice little bench, plenty of storage area for your desk over here. I love this light. I think it is adorable. All right, little trash can. Come around here, and this is going to be where the minibar is. It's already fully stocked and included with your stay. You can have it, stocked with other stuff. We've got waters, and I want to open the mini fridge up. So we've got plenty of room in here. And if we look over here, let's see. Here we go. So we've got more stuff down there. Turning the camera around, cute little couch. Nice little breakfast nook area. And they also have water bottles for us to use as well. Turn it around so you can see it. Okay, now one of my favorite parts is this view. Let's go outside to check it out. Look, it is absolutely amazing. Okay, so y'all know I am absolutely obsessed with hammocks. So we've got, one hammock right here. And if I turn around, there's a second hammock. So you have the hook up here, and then you can just hook it up here and two people can enjoy this space. Great little sitting area. Cute little chair there. And then a duck underneath the hammock. And now just take in this absolutely gorgeous view. I'm Lindsay Markwood from Markwood Magic, and I can't wait to help you get on your next vacation to Xcaret or another all-inclusive in the Caribbean. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.